Greetings and salutations, it's your girl Anaya, and I am back once again with another video. Today's video I'm going to be doing a full cut crease, if you can't tell by the title. This video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a voiceover, if you can't tell. This video was filmed a little bit late, so yeah, I had to do a voiceover, but that's fine as long as I put the video out, right? Anyways, I went in with my Go Food brow pencil by Benefit, and I did my eyebrows a little bit differently this time. I tried to fill in at the bottom and like blend out the pencil with the pencil, if that makes sense, and then I took the spoolie and brushed my eyebrow hairs down just to fill the top portion of my brow. I did exceed a little bit with the pencil, more than I wanted to, but if this happens to you, just go ahead and take your concealer and just clean your eyebrows up more. See, I should have cleaned my eyebrows up a little bit more, but it's fine. It was a little late for me, so I wasn't really paying attention as much into detail because I wasn't going anywhere. But anyways, I went in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn, and I just went ahead and cleaned up the bottom portion of my eyebrows. Later on, I went in with my foundation and just cleaned the top portion of my brows up. Then you go in with a dry beauty blender and just blend that out. So I started off with my right eye, but I went to my left eye just because I didn't know what I was going to do, but I really liked this eye look and how it turned out. So I went in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I went in with Hunts. That's that color that I'm packing right now. Just take your blending brush and pack that color in as best as you can. And I kind of winged it out on the sides a little bit to give it more of a dramatic effect. You do not have to do this. I just did it because it looks nice in my opinion, and I have hooded eyelids, so it makes my eyes look bigger. Then I took a clean blending brush and just blended out the edges of that Hunts to just basically prep for my next color. But yeah. So then on the next color, I went in with the Jacks, and I just kind of went a little bit under that where I blended that Hunts in at. And I took the same brush just because, you know, it's one eye. It's not like I was switching back and forth between the eyes, so one brush was fine. Then later on, I took those two brown colors. I took more of the chip than the mocha. The chip is the one on the left and the mocha is the one on the right, and I just blended that in just to define that crease a little bit more. Then I took whatever I had left of that brush Hunts, and I just kind of blended that out. After that, I took Creamsicle and I blended the top portion of my eyebrows out. Not my eyebrows, but underneath my eyebrows. Then I took some makeup remover on a flat brush and just kind of like cleaned that up, so just because my concealer wouldn't be gunky and red. And that's the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn right there. And I just cut my crease fully and winged it out at the end. And I really like this look. It looks, at first you're like, what is she doing? Like, I don't know about this, but trust me, like, it looks so good, especially when your whole entire face is done and everything is finished. Like, just wait to the end. I promise you, it's good. Trust the process. Then I went in with a dry beauty blender and I just patted that down because I didn't want to put a setting powder on it because it just doesn't, the colors don't come out as well in my opinion. Then I took some Obsess. Yes, Obsess, because I'm obsessed with this look. I took some Obsess and I applied that onto the full cut crease. Then I went in with the Fenty Beauty liner and I drew a wing to just kind of like offset this, you know, because I feel like the wing made it come together. If you guys cannot tell, I applied highlight on my, well, it's my right eye, but if you're looking at the camera, my left eye, the one that I did but previously, I applied highlight. I wasn't a fan of it just because my eyebrows wasn't like trimmed. Like, I should have plucked my eyebrows before I applied the highlight, but If you want to do highlight, it's on the left eye, and the eye that I'm doing now, I forgot the highlight when I got finished filming. You'll see that, but in my opinion, I like it without the highlight. It just looks so much better, and the colors come out so much nicer. So I would say, if your eyebrows are done, apply the highlight. If your eyebrows aren't done, don't apply the highlight, just because, you know, the highlight kind of brings out those eyebrow hairs that weren't trimmed. So yeah. Then I went in with my Nars foundation, and I already did that portion. I didn't want to make this video too long. If you guys want to see my full face routine on how I do my foundation, concealer, contours, all that, just comment down below, and I will do a video strictly on a simple where you go with, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So then I took that LA Girl in the color fawn for like the 3rd time, and I just put that underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and under my my little chin area. Then I applied some Nutmeg by Fenty Beauty, and because I was looking at the camera, you can kind of see the imperfections of the powder, but don't worry, I ended up looking at my mirror and I was like, ooh girl, like what is you doing? You should have been paying attention. So I ended up cleaning all of that up. Then I went ahead and contoured with the Black Radiance medium to dark powder, and I contoured my face. Then I applied some highlight. I used the Milani Strobe light in the color 4, and I mixed it with Trophy Wife from Fenty Beauty. Then I took some Palatine by NYX lip gloss, and it looks amazing. Not the lip gloss, the butter gloss, but still same difference. See, this look turned out really well. I hope you guys like it. If you guys made it all the way through this video, you must like me. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell so you're notified when I post a new video. And I love you guys. XO, peace. I don't bake because I have dry skin, so I just apply the powder and then I quickly dust it away.
Sunlight and those brown eyes, you're the one